Hi, I'm Ben from Absolute Music, and today we'll be looking at the Ludwig Pocket kit. So this kit is a fantastic budget kit. It was designed with 4 to 10-year-old drummers in mind, but it will accommodate slightly older drummers as it is a fantastic treble kit. As you can see, the smaller sizes can accommodate that very well. You get all the hardware and cymbals included. Obviously you get the hi-hats and the one cymbal here. Obviously if you wanted to add your own ride cymbal or crash cymbal as well, you could do that. Obviously the cymbal here comes off the bass drum, as you can see. Nice and easy compact setup there. Hi-hat stand included, bass drum pedal included, it's all fantastic. So the sizes we've got on this kit, we've got a 10-inch tom here, 13-inch floor tom, 16-inch bass drum, and a 12-inch snare here. So nice and compact sizes for you. Today to record this kit, we've used the Glyn Johns method. I've been Ben, and thanks for watching.